Hey guys, welcome back to Guide Pro. In today's video, I'm going to explain how to change your Reddit username or display name. So here's the thing, you can't change your Reddit username once it's set. If you created your account using a Google or Apple login and Reddit gave you a suggested username, you'll get one chance to change it right after signing up. But once it's saved, it's permanent. However, you can change your display name, which is what people see on your profile. To do that, open the Reddit app and tap on your profile icon at the top right. Then tap on My Profile and hit the Edit button. Now here, you'll see the display name field. You can change it to whatever you want. This won't affect your actual username or URL, but it changes what shows on your profile. That's it. If you found this video helpful, smash the like button and subscribe to Guide Pro for more simple Reddit tutorials. Thanks for watching.